What's pumping YouTube? It's your boy once again, and welcome to our channel, the Forex Trader Whole One. We welcome you out to all this new year, this 2024, and as this year is running out, this month rather is running out. Wish you success. So guys, today we'll be talking about the quarterly theory, how to trade the quarterly theory, and how to make some pips. So guys, in case you're joining our YouTube channel for the first time, I would love you to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for this video to go viral, and for many people to hear about this and know how to understand the market movement. During my previous video, I talked about how to trade the psychological levels, but today we'll be doing something differently, the new revolutionary way whereby you can trade and make some decent pips. So guys, click that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Without wasting much of your time, I would love us to go through some talks. Today we'll be talking about the quarterly theory. Most people don't really know what the quarterly theory is all about. Well, the quarterly theory, it improves and simplifies the decision-making process in foreign exchange. Quarterly theory improves you in order to know the direction, the flow of the market with some certain period of a time. Probably might be a 2 weeks or maybe more. Then you know the direction, the flow of the market, the initial direction of the market, so you won't be trading against the trend. And the quarterly theory is a new revolutionary way to trade, and it's a long-term trading, not day trading. You swing, hold your trade for some days and weeks as well before it finally gets to your destination. And today we'll be talking about the strategy and how to get it and how to plot the quarterly theories. By the word quarterly, quarterly, we have different quarter points in a year, and in everything we do, same thing applies to this forex market. We have some quarterly points, whereby it's all put together and called the quarterly theory. So how do you trade this quarterly theory, and how do you understand the quarterly theory? So without taking much of your time, let's not waste much time on this. So firstly, you go to your higher time frame, be it the monthly or the weekly, but I prefer using this weekly as an example. So with this quarterly theory, you start from, it's more like you plotting a psychological levels, but you plotting this, you play the higher time frame targeting 250 pips. Can you see how that sounds? Very interesting. Making 250 pips in a single trade, it's kind of dope, what I'm saying, because I'm playing. So firstly, what do you need to go? You need to check the current market price, where the market is, and we can see the market is currently at 1.70435. So what do we need to do? Let's shrink our chart, and then we start from a round figure, a round up figure. Don't try to start from the middle. I will advise you to start from the round up figure so you won't be confused. So I would like to use this horizontal line. I would love to use this horizontal line. So firstly, what do we need to do? We can see, let's start off here, this 1.6600. Obviously there are many ways you can use to trade. You can come to this recent price, this is the current market price, and then you come to this recent price. You do it this way, but let's just start off here. So here we come here. Let me reduce this. So then let's modify. We round the figure up. 6,000. You see. Then we had 250 pips. Then it should be 1.6250. Adding 250 pips to it. 250. Okay, adding another 250 pips to it. That will be 1.6500. adding another 250, sorry, adding another 250 will be 6.750. That's 250, and then adding another, then we come to this 1.700, and we need to put one more. Most people will tell you trading this strategy that you need to start from the recent. Sometimes just plot your 250 pips movement, start from the round up number, and then sometimes you don't really need to stress yourself in doing those stuff. Trying to be, it's still the same thing. We still arrive at the same thing. You mean, you can get 9 plus 1 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10. All we all know, we are just arriving at the same point. So you can just plot your psychological levels of 250 pips. It's still the same thing as trading the quarterly theory. It's still the same thing. Let's not get things complicated. So starting from this, what are the things you need to know there? So you can see you just need to have 250 pips. Start from the round up number, not to convince yourself. You know you are good. If I'm to plot this, I might start from 1.675 because I know that's a quarterly point. That's it, And some people say this one are the main quarter points. These are like the sub one. Having a main psychological level and a sub psychological levels. It still the same thing applies. The one that round up with zeros, those are the major one. These are just like the sub. You see, so major, sub, major. So that's how it is. Let's not get things complicated. All you need to do now is get your trend line. Remember, trend line must be intact. You start from your weekly time frame per se, and currently seeing at this market, we can see the market has been failing to break this quarter point of 1.72500. So what can we say? We can see many touches. The price has respected the levels back in the days, you know what I'm saying? So then we can't see any trend line coming. Yeah, we can see some trend line coming. We can see these are some. Imagine this being broke. These are some as well. This is some. We can see have another touch, which means currently at this point where this market is, it's just if you are to take a buy to the trend line, or you can just decide to leave it. So currently getting to, then you scroll down to your daily time frame to see the market behavior. Daily time frame. Then see how this market was respected by these psychological levels. This quarter theories, the levels are being respected multiple times. Multiple. It always works, guys. You see how it works. You see, then we go to the 4 hour. There's one thing I want to tell you guys. The 4 hour is the best entry time frame for you to go on this trade. The 4 hour is the best. Honestly, I must say. Honestly, if you try to get things on the 1 hour, it's kind of good, but just to be on the safer side and not to avoid fake out and stuff like that. So that's just it. So you can see how this price respected those quarter points. Imagine getting on this trade and adding how many pips? See, draw your counter trend line. It got in somewhere around here, and it closed below. It got in around here. It's just like, honestly, if I see this trade, I won't take it. Honestly, okay. Hold on, guys. Because I love to put these things in the week. So I would love to have something like this, and I might have, this is a nice trade. I will have put my entry will have been here. Imagine that. That's a nice risk to reward. And my stop loss would have been here. Risking 96 pips and targeting 192 pips. That's almost 1 to 2. I can even say 1 to 2. This is 1.99. That's 1 to 2, risking 1 to get 2. That's a nice risk reward when trading this strategy. So check other levels. Price came here, price broke below this quarter point, pull back, and then you will have getting based on some candlestick formation, depending on your own entry strategy, whether you trade the ICT, SMT, or anything. Just follow. But I will have gotten on this market on the break based on this long candle. I will have gotten, but fortunately, before the price got here, I will have secured some profit. Believe me, probably the price might hit my break even. And even though I will have checked, look at the previous market movements, this will have been my first TP, which I will put in my consideration, and there will be my overall. Unfortunately, on the price getting here, I will have break even for sure. Probably the price might end up hitting my break even, and even if I'm seeing this kind of movement, this huge upside, this one will have been the one to hit the break even, and then this one. So believe me guys, this strategy works. You just need to trade it on 4-hour time frame. You can try to trade it on a 1-hour time frame too, but I would advise you to go on a higher time frame. Trading on a 4-hour time will give you less stress. You won't be easily manipulated by the market. There's some market manipulation. Imagine this. Let's see something. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour. We will see where the market has manipulated most people. Looking for some scenario. Yeah, I found one here. Imagine some people saying this break test. You have get on this sell, and the price came back here, and then your stop loss being hit, and you try to get in again, then you got lucky. But imagine this being on the 4-hour time frame. Being on the 4-hour time frame, you can't be easily manipulated. You can't. Let me mark this out. Let's get to the 4-hour time frame and look back in time. You can see what happened there. So let's get to the 4-hour time frame. You can see guys, honestly, you won't have been on this trade right from time. You won't see here. Then we will have waited for this nice pullback. This one will have this market manipulation, and you won't be even manipulated if you are on a higher time frame. Imagine you will have gotten based on this engulfing, and then you make some profit. So I would advise you, when trading this strategy, you need to stay on a higher time frame. So with this, you can know the price movement for a week or 2 weeks. Imagine getting on this trade right here. Imagine getting on this trade right here. The counter trend line is broken, and then you bought, you're long, you go long. Right from now, I honestly, I wouldn't have gotten right here. All these candles, I'm not interested in this. I will have gotten somewhere around here, because somewhere around on the closure of this, my TP would have been here, my stop loss would have been here, and then I always look left. Here will be my first TP. So be my first TP, and the overall TP will be there. Imagine making some pips right here. Let's calculate how many pips this is. So first TP was hit by 89 pips. I will have break even. Then secure some profit. Even though I know my end up closing this trade with some, maybe a small loss or a small profit. But it's still better than taking a loss on this trade. And currently with this trade, I'm still kind of favoring the upside, but currently things have been different. And with this strategy, don't try to take a sell, taking buy when you are on a quarter point. You can't be trading both sides. If you are taking a buy, then until the price gets to a quarter point, then you can decide to short or look for longing opportunity in the market when it presents itself. So that's just how it works. Let's check some scenarios. You can see the price came back here, pull back here, consolidated here for a while. You got in right here, and then you miss some decent place. This one will happen within a period of 2 weeks or more, depending on the market. If it moves faster and it's more volatile, it might get there probably within a week and a half. But at least I can guarantee you, when trading this strategy, at least you might spend up to 5 days waiting for the trade to get to your TP. Because it's a swing trading strategy and will give you more stress to do other things. Imagine sitting on a 4-hour time frame, you only wait after 4 hours, you will have time to do other things. So guys, this is how I will advise you to trade for this year 2024, because this is the new way people are making money. And I don't want to keep this to myself, but just to give you, my beloved subscribers, imagine guys, and currently I'll be waiting for the market. If the market the market can still do something like this on GBK, the market can still come down here and then push up, or the market might come and eat this. Remember, we drew this trend line from the weekly time frame, which is another time frame to be respected per se. So the market, but if this market could close below this trend line, I might consider taking a sell on this trade. So guys, that's how it works, and please do well to like and subscribe my video. You can see back in time it has been respected. Imagine, but always sit on the 4-hour time frame and look left. Imagine if I'm on this trade, I'm looking for some nice scenario. Yeah, sometimes the market can be so choppy, as you can see right here. There's no point of entry right here. But imagine being on the 1-hour time frame. There will be more candles. You will have seen some ups and downs. But sitting on the 4-hour time frame will give you less stress, and you will be taking unnecessary trade. Imagine the price broke above, pull back. You got in right here, and then you make this descent dip. Imagine, guys. Imagine this engulfing. Honestly, if I'm the one, sorry about that, I won't have take this trade, because you always wait for a real break and retest, not just a mere something. You know what I'm saying? So seeing this, if this was this to say per se, if you see this on the 1-hour time frame, it will have been, imagine this engulfing, this 4-hour time frame, and each candle form based on 4-hour time. Imagine being on the 1 hour. This red bar would be 4. This one would be 4. This one will be 4 as well. Imagine. Let's check the 1-hour time frame, and let's see. Let me box it so we can get to know what we got there. So guys, sitting on the 4-hour time frame will give you more time, less stress. You know what I'm saying, guys? So sorry, my connection is kind of slow. Sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that. I'm very sure. Yeah, this is it. Let's just wait for my connection. The network is too slow. Guys, really sorry about that. Imagine exactly what I said. Exactly. exactly what I said. You will have wanted to look at this a pullback, then you will have made some pips for sure. But imagine from a double bottom, and then even you will have gotten right here. Saw this, the market was failing to break above. You're like, okay, let me just take a sell, and then you start taking yourself stop loss hit, come back again, make just make some few pips again, stop loss hit, you come back again, stop loss hit. Even here we'll have made some pips and we'll have break even, honestly passing. So you need to sit on the 4 hour time frame when trading this quarterly point. So okay, let's just try to back test. We just try a little. Imagine, let me try and use something. I want the market to love. Okay, let's use the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame is still the best in the time frame for this strategy. Imagine you are catching many pips, not just something small. So right here, let's start off here below. So you saw this break and retest. Honestly, I will have I will have take this trade right here. Honestly, this is a nice break and retest. This is a nice one. I will have took a sell on this trade, and then wow, stop loss was hit. But honestly, I will have break even. For sure. Seeing this close. Imagine 83 pips. Who wouldn't have break even? Whenever I'm trading this, once I see 30 pips, once I'm 30 pips in profit, I break even straight. No joke. I break even. Even on this, I will have took the buy. But this one, this. Imagine seeing this on the 1 hour time. It will have been something else. You have got in and then got stopped. I'll probably eat your break even and stuff. Honestly, with this type of candle formation, I will have drawn some counter trend line, but I don't really like to trade when I don't see a nice pullback on my quarterly points. Yeah, I would have no. I would have took it buy right here on the long week, straight to TP. Yeah, that's one in profit. Yeah, to TP, and then wait for some sort of pullback. No, we don't see some pullback. We don't. Now we can see we draw our counter. Then once it's broken, take a sell. TP smashed, boom. And then we saw a double bottom. Honestly, I would say I would have taken this trade. I would have. Then it would have ended up being a loss. You can't win every time. Unless you right here, I'll have take a sell from here. I'll have take a sell right here. Sell. I would have break even before it got here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, this was even the last one. And right here I will have took some buys too. I will have sold this and this engulfing, and then break even, secure some profit. Once I'm 30 pips in profit, I close out, guys. That is that for today, and remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. More pips, more sources. Thank you. I really appreciate you all. Thank you.